Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates.
National Testing Agency declared the result of IIFT 2020 on December 13, 2019 along with the final answer key. Authorities released the result for IIFT 2020 in the form of Scorecard. Candidates can download their scorecard in online mode by entering their login credentials. Careers 360 brings to you the steps to download the IIFT result cum scorecard. Visit the official website of IIFT and click on the tab Result/Score Indian Candidate Only. The screen will display the login options. Candidates can choose either of the option through application number and password or through application number and date of birth. Now enter the login credentials, security PIN and click on the tab Submit. Now scroll down and click on the tab View Result. The screen will display the scorecard. Students can check for the following details: application number, roll number, candidate's name, mother's name, father's name, category, person with disability, gender, date of birth, subject details, maximum marks, marks obtained and NTA score. Now download the scorecard and take the print for the same for future references. Also, students must know that the scorecard is valid till November 30, 2020. Candidates can know the method through which their NTA score has been calculated as mentioned on the scorecard.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and visit Careers 360 website for more details.